Hello, Jen here with BenPak. When it comes time to get rid of your automotive liquid waste such as gear oil, motor oil, or transmission fluid, Ranger's line of oil drains are a perfect solution. In this accessory spotlight video, we'll take a closer look at Ranger's 20-gallon air evacuation oil drain, the RD20SE. As you can see just by looking at it, this is one hefty, high-quality oil drain. The RD20SE is constructed of heavy-duty rugged steel, yet is light enough for easy portability. The wide base design of the 3-inch ball-bearing casters provide exceptional stability and mobility. This rolling upright oil drain can be set to accommodate heights between 52 and 83 inches by simply adjusting the non-corrosive telescoping tube. It also sports a rugged funnel, a translucent sight tube to see fluid levels, a tamper-proof air regulator, and a preset safety pressure valve. The 10-foot translucent evacuation hose comes with a quick coupler, ensuring a dripless process along with easy accessibility. Plus, a quick-release lift-lock drain adds to the safety and ease of this exceptional Ranger oil drain. And you can rest assured knowing that all Ranger products are incredibly resistant to rust, dents, automotive fluids, and corrosive chemicals. So go ahead and roll with it. The RD20SE Air Evacuation Oil Drain by Ranger. Adding this massive 20-gallon capacity drain will increase efficiency in any garage or shop. So for more information on this product or Ranger's full line of shop equipment, head over to benpak.com or check out the links in the description of this video.